These are locomotor, non-locomotor, and manual. So what do we understand by plant locomotor? Locomotor is the actions that move the body from one space to another. So what can be the examples of non-locomotor? Locomotor examples: running, skipping, leaping, and cooking. So come to our next slide, that is non-locomotor. By the term non-locomotor, it means that the actions that take place in non-sport. Lifting, bending, stretching, and balancing can be the best examples for non-locomotor. So come to our last type, that is manipulative. Manipulative means the action that involves the control and handling of an object. What can be the examples for manipulative? Manipulative examples are throwing, catching, hitting a ball, handling of an object. So now at this moment of our presentation, I am asking Prabhu to join and continue this presentation.
Motor skill is a function that involves specific movements of the body's muscles. Apart from the cycling tasks, there are some of the exercises that we do in our real life, like walking, running, riding a bicycle, etc. These are the examples of motor skill. There are two types of motor skill. They are gross motor skill and fine motor skill. So let's find out what is gross motor skill. Gross motor skill needs a large group of muscles of our body. In the lower part, we can see like legs, and in the upper part, arm. So basically, gross motor skill needs a large group of